The 2016 Buick Cascada. This two-door, four-passenger convertible is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a power convertible top, a power seat, lane departure warning, and much more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, knee airbags, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.